All right, I'm pulling a neck on a Martin D-42 today. Got to get this thing done. So, got my GoPro set up, taking some video. Probably gonna put this out there to show you guys how to do it. Board. Let's see if we can get something to happen here. Should be nice and gooey. Carefully along this here. Try not to go outside of this. Don't go under your tape. We're trying to protect the top. Scrape this glue off. See if we can work our way in through here just a little bit. Carefully. You want to be careful at the top. Just want to come in right next to the heel. Alright, so that's that there. Let's go ahead and pull this thread out. Real careful like. These are always fun to pull when you've got the double binding. All right, let's drill a 3/32 hole right down through this fret slot. I always start in reverse. It helps me to keep from ripping any wood out here. I usually will kind of tip back just a little bit towards the sound hole so I can get right down in between the back side of the dovetail and in the pocket. See some smoke. Now we'll go clockwise to see how that went right down in there. That's what we want to see. Very nice, very nice. On the older Martins, this is usually a little bit different story. All right, so I'm going counterclockwise. Now clockwise slowly. Drop it down into that pocket. That went down in there real nice, real nice. I like that. Yes. Beautiful. That penetrates all the way down into that hole. I like that. All right, so I've got my styrofoam cutters plugged in. They're turned up about just over halfway. And I'm gonna set this thing back up so that it's upright. All right, so this is feeling nice and warm. It's time to check this. I'm gonna turn it over on its side and give it a little crank and see if we get some movement. All right, let's pull these out carefully. Actually, we don't have to pull these out right yet. We can leave these in there. Oh yeah, you can hear that. Jeez, I've never had one be this noisy. It's wonderful. Just wonderful. There it is. The tail looks good. That pocket looks good. Nice and clean. All right, I'm pulling a neck on a Martin D-42 D-42 today. Got to get this thing done.